This life, it comes with a heavy load, with mountains and valleys below. So when your fears, they surround you, and the troubled times have found you, well, you won't have to go it alone. When you're tired and you feel low, you can find your rest in me. When the winds come forth and the thunder rolls, you can find your rest in me. You can find your rest in me. When the weight of this world is descending on you, and your strength is wearing away, you can lean on my shoulders when we're young and when we're older, 'cause my love for you remains. When you're tired and you feel low, you can find your rest in me. When the winds come forth and the thunder rolls, you can find your rest in me. When the victories come, when your mountains are scaled and you retreat to collect your thoughts, every moment that passes in the challenge and after, you don't have to go on your own.
Guys, if you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Thank you so much for sticking to the end. If you did want to learn this step-by-step for your own choreography, you can go ahead and check out the link below. We'll send you the breakdown. Otherwise, this is also an example of a custom choreography where we created this specifically for 2 of our customers here. So if you want to do your own song, you can go ahead and follow the link below, see our package options, and see if it's right for you. Thanks so much. We'll see you very soon in the next one, guys. Bye.
You can find your rest in me. When the winds come forth